Hello everyone and welcome to the introduction of the new Nanolex machine polishes. We have decided to have two core polishes, cutting and finishing. Both of them are brand new formulations that we developed over the last 7 months. And today we would like to give you a bit of an insight what they contain and how they work. Overall, they have a much higher bandwidth than before.
So regarding the formulations, of course, as an abrasive, we mainly used aluminum oxide, diminishing abrasives, and in different grain sizes, and also to render a nice finish, aluminum silicate and aluminum magnesium silicate. We refuse to use any kind of waxes, so the finish is a true finish. What you see is what you get. And relied on oils, on different kind of oils for a nice working time. And what's also important about the polishes, they are water-based, so they contain a very low VOC content. It's around 12%, which is just nice for the user and for the environment.
And in the following, we will show you how to properly use them.